Have you ever wondered why some months feel like magic, and others feel like a test? July 2025 is one of those months where love, luck, and life lessons are dancing together, and the universe is inviting you to listen, learn, and grow. The stars are speaking, and their message could shift everything. Welcome to Zodiac Signs Moon, your home for astrology, soul alignment, and universal guidance. In this video, we'll break down what July 2025 holds for your love life, your luck, and the deep lessons meant just for you, sign by sign. So take a deep breath, settle in, and let's see what's written in the stars. July 2025 is bringing powerful cosmic shifts. The sun's journey through Cancer and Leo will stir our hearts, focusing on home, family, self-expression, and courage. A transformative full moon in Capricorn will push us to face responsibilities and clear out what no longer serves us. And Venus forms key aspects with Jupiter and Uranus, meaning unexpected blessings and surprises in love and money are possible. So, what does that mean for you? Let's dive into your signs' love, luck, and lessons. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. July fuels your passion. Love. This is a heart-led month. Single? A bold connection could spark suddenly, maybe in the most unexpected place. If you're in a relationship, deeper conversations could reignite the flame. Luck. Mid-July could bring a chance to shine at work or in a creative project. Say yes to opportunities that scare you a little. They may open doors. Lesson. Your biggest lesson this month? Patience. Not every fire needs to be fanned. Let some things unfold naturally. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. July is about inner strength and trust. Love. Stability matters more than ever. Be clear about what you want. An old flame or unresolved issue may resurface. Handle it with grace. Luck. Money matters could improve, especially if you focus on practical solutions. Around the Capricorn full moon, a breakthrough in career or finances is possible. Lesson. This month teaches you, let go of control, embrace flow. Sometimes the universe's plan is better than yours. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. July stirs your mind and heart. Love. Communication is your superpower this month. Speak your truth, but listen deeply too. New connections could come through travel, learning, or online spaces. Luck. A surprise opportunity linked to education or networking could appear. Follow your curiosity. It will lead to growth. Lesson. July invites you to focus. Scatter your energy too much, and you'll miss the magic. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. July connects you to your intuition. Love. Your sensitivity is your strength. Deeper bonds are possible, but only if you open your heart without fear. Watch for synchronicities. Love could appear where you least expect it. Luck. Creative projects and spiritual practices bring the greatest rewards now. Mid-month. Trust your gut in decisions about money or partnerships. Lesson. Your lesson for July. Release the past. Make room for what's trying to enter your life. So whether you're a fiery Aries or a dreamy Pisces, know this: July 2025 is a month of growth, blessing, and cosmic nudges. The universe is guiding you to love more deeply, trust yourself more fully, and step boldly into your next chapter. There may be moments that test you, but remember, every challenge carries a lesson, and every lesson is a gift. Before you go, drop a comment below. Tell me your zodiac sign and what you're focusing on this July. And don't forget to subscribe to Zodiac Signs Moon for more universal messages, daily guidance, and soul-aligned astrology.